Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy header in Publisher to another document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document, and we can see here already added a header and some text. Now we want to copy this header text in this document to another Publisher document. Double click on the header text. Now we can see we go to the header text option, then select the header text and click right button on our mouse, then copy the text, then click close master page, then go to the file menu and click new option, then create a blank page, then go to the insert menu, click header option, then right button on our mouse and click paste, then click the close master page. Now we can see we copy header from one to another Publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.